Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week's video, we continued to work on the 454. Now this week is a big week. We have a truck show for the C10 to go to. So it's called the Old Dominion Rally up in Glen Allen, Virginia. And that is where we're gonna head today. So let's go ahead and head out to the show and see how it is. All right, so as you can see, that was an incredible show. A lot of cool people we got to meet out there. Jamie, I finally got to meet Jamie. He has been a long-time subscriber of the channel, has been watching from pretty much the beginning. The other people we've met out there, I've seen my friend Coles, who has an amazing 66 that he slammed, and that thing is absolutely incredible of a truck. I don't know if I got pictures in it, but that thing is incredible. There was so many cool trucks. There was a really, really cool 50s truck where we didn't even know what a button was on the floor and found out it was a starter button. Absolutely unreal. But the most exciting thing is coming home with our first piece of hardware for the 1963 Chevy pickup. We finished in the top 30 of over 300 pickup trucks and trucks out at the show. Zach Orr is the one who put it together and absolutely did an amazing job. It was a lot of fun. It was a very small show in comparison to C10 Nationals, but it had the same feeling. It was a lot of fun, a lot of cool people to meet. So actually, we also met a gentleman who was at C10 Nationals with us, and didn't meet him there, met him all the way here in Richmond, or just outside of Richmond in Glen Allen, Virginia, at the show. He's all the way from Chesapeake, and such a small, crazy world is he ended up being 2 cars ahead of us at C10 Nationals on the track, which was absolutely incredible of a story, a lot of fun. We got to talk to a lot of people talking to us about the truck, getting to show off our build. Now, obviously, our truck is not perfect, which was absolutely incredible. I wish I had a video of us when they announced my name for the win. It was incredible. What an amazing feeling. And just a great time out there. A lot of emotions came through when I won. Obviously, excitement. I make fun of the meme where the last place guy is out there with the champagne having a blast, but that was me, 110% having an absolute ball winning this award. Now, no one in 25 years is going to care but me. This was absolutely incredible. I definitely will go to this show again next year. Hopefully, we have the 454 out there as well, which we'll be getting back to next week. But that is going to be a wrap for this week's video. What a show. What a great time. What a lot of people we got to meet, and we are definitely going to sign up for next year. Zach, great job putting on the show at Old Dominion C10 Rally. There was trucks all the way from Ohio that drove for the one-day show here in Richmond, Virginia. Definitely a show to check out. If you guys look at it and see it next year, please show up for $20. It is incredible. We had 300 trucks. We filled up that lot. Hopefully next year they have a bigger lot so we can get up to 500, 600 trucks. Maybe make that to a 2-day event. What a blast. But we'll see you guys next Saturday. We'll continue working on the C10. We're working on the 454, trying to get that thing running. So we'll see you guys then.